Welcome back to my channel, guys. I decided to do a Harley Quinn look because I love Harley Quinn. I can't do the voice, but my daughter can. She's very, very good. Cynthia, you want to do the Harley Quinn voice? Please? Okay, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned and watch.
Okay, I'm going in with Hot Spot palette and I'm mixing the colors Firestarter and Party On, and with my Jaclyn Hil brush I'm going to apply that all over my crease eyelid, and it's going to look like a messy look, and that's the effect that I'm trying to accomplish. So just blend, blend, messy, blend. None of my palettes had a deep red that I want, so I'm just using a lip gloss lipstick actually and putting that on my eyelid, and then I'm just buffing it out. Again, I'm using a different gloss, and I'm using a shimmer one, metallic, because I want a metallic look on my lids, and I'm applying that all over and buffing it out. With my James Charles Morphe palette, I'm actually going to use the color Flashback, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. For the other eye, I'm using the Hot Spot palette, and I'm going in with the color Singled Out, and I'm going to apply that on the other side of the eye, and I'm putting it all over on the crease and a little bit lower as well on the eye. So, like I said, it's going to be that messy look that I'm trying to get. Okay, I'm going back in with the James Charles palette, and I'm using the color A Capella. This is like a blue metallic color, so I really wanted the metallics on both eyelids. I just wanted them to pop a little bit, and I think it's just gorgeous. And you could take any white eyeliner. I am using the NYX one, and I'm just putting it on both eyes underneath my eyelid. So really, really close as you can, because what I want is that pop-in effect. Pop, pop, pop. Now take any black eyeliner and do the same, but put it underneath the white eyeliner. Now you're going back in with Firestarter and Party On, and you're going to put that color underneath where you put the black eyeliner. And then you're going to go back in with Singled Out, and you're going to apply that underneath the black eyeliner as well on the other eye. For the lips, I decided to use NARS Star Woman. This is such a deep red color. I really love this color for this look. I'm using the Milk stamp in the heart shape. I love how Milk came up with these. These are just so cool, and you can do almost anything with these. So awesome. For the messy red lip, I just got my fingers and just smeared it. I don't care. It's messy. That's what I wanted. You guys can do however you want. This is just how I did it.
Okay, guys, this is the final look. So I didn't have the wig, so I kind of worked with what I had. And another thing, I know I messed up. I know the blue and the pink reddish color was supposed to be on the opposite end. I know, but that's okay. I know. My daughter's like, Mom, did you know it's on the other side? And I'm like, I looked at the picture. I'm like, dang it, I did it on the opposite. But that's okay. That's okay. Because makeup, you can mess up. And it's okay. It's not permanent. So I did my style opposite way. But that's okay. Again, that's okay. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, ring that bell to get notifications, and I am working on trying to do videos every week. So comment below what you guys want to see, what your comments are, if you have Harley Quinn looks too. Everyone has their own ideas of Harley Quinn, so there's no right or way. And I like it because it's very messy, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So you may look and say, wow, it's not really clean, perfect, but that's okay because that's what Harley Quinn's look is. It's very messy, and I like that messy look. So it's my way, and I love it. Okay? Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I love you. Mwah! And thanks for supporting me again, as like always. Love you guys. Till next time. Mwah!